It's a Brazilian coffee we have. We do 18 grams, so it's set in the grinder. Right. So the grinder you can set directly here, right. and we do it out 38, 39 grams. Okay. So it's a very typical Italian espresso, yeah. Of course with specialty coffee, right. But working with as people we work all over the place in Italy about extraction quantities, or mostly all over the place, because how the coffee is extracted in Italy doesn't change very much. Change the quality of the coffee. Right. Whereas in other countries, some people they extract very long. Right. But some people they ask for Americano. So we do a double shot and put water. Right. In a larger. That cup. Right. Here we go.